channel. To want to bring to you how you can earn good money online. Okay, so you can earn up to 251 dollars in just a read. By reading, you will understand that this stuff is real. By just reading, you earn up to this amount. Total amount withdrawn, two withdrawals, it's a balance 201. You can earn very good money on this platform. Don't worry about if this is the first time you're watching our channel. Please remember to subscribe. Don't worry about the link. I'm going to send you the link so that you can also make good money from it, and how to publish also on this platform, where to get original content. I'll show you how to write a good original content using ChatGPT, GPTs, okay, and how to know what's trending globally, okay, by using Google Trend, okay. Okay, let's go there. You go to the website vogal.media. Okay, I told you earlier, you always use Google search, Google vogal.media, sign up. Okay, you've seen it's here, the first one here. Okay, you signed up. Do you ask you join Vogal? You said okay. Join using your name, your email, and password. I said join using Google. Now click up sign up with Google. Okay, I now choose my email. Okay. It's loading, it's loading, it's loading. Yeah. Let me put it in desktop mode so that for clarity, it will be simple for you. Okay. See top stories. You also see from here. Start stories or create stories. You go to create stories. Okay. You understand and agreed. They say submission guideline of your content. Submit good quality content that is engaging to read. Only submit content you own the rights to. Use high quality photos that you do not have watermark or are copyrighted. Zero tolerance policy towards nudity, violence, or hate speech. Say no to it. Respect the intellectual property of others. Read the Fogal terms. Our moderators review all submissions before they can be published on Vogals. Then you said you tick this place. I understand and agree. They say start creating. Okay. They ask you the title of your content and the body of the content. You can choose to embed. If you choose here, you see embed video. Say press the link and enter. Okay, you can work with YouTube, Vimeo, and more. And then from here, if you want to get a top notch, you can go to Google Trend. Google Trend. Google Trends. Okay. Go to Google daily trending search. Okay. You can go to daily trending. You said Inter Miami. You say Kante. This is what is trending for today. Okay. You can check Nigeria Air, you see all this is trending. In my own country, you see what is trending. This is the highest. Okay, but if you want to get good visitor, say Google Trend uh USA. Google Trend USA, you see, they'll see tell you this one is what's trending in Nigeria. Explore what Nigeria is searching for right now. You see, this one is based in your own country trend. Okay, then if you see all this that Nigerians are typing, you can just pick this Nkalo Kante or UFA under fire over West Ham vs Florentina final. Okay, you can pick such thing like this. Okay, or you just click any of them. Said, look at English teenager Jude Bellingham to join Real Madrid from Dortmund. Okay, you just pick this his name, Jude Bellingham. Okay, you go to ChatGPT. I log in my ChatGPT with Kiwi browser. Okay, you just copy the keyword. Come on, guys. Okay, it's loading. Only the keyword. Don't worry about the link. I'll send you all this link for you to follow up the step. Just to watch this video and see the step by step guide on what to do. I said new charts. Okay. I said I want it to be SEO friendly content. I put SEO friendly. This is the one I like using most. Just put the keyword Jude Bellingham. Then I search. Okay. The rising star of England. You see Jude Bellingham, the rising star of English football. You've seen the move to Borussia Dortmund, international recognition, playing style and strengths. You've seen it's giving me all this achievement and milestone. The youngster, this and that. You see, youngest goal scorer for Birmingham City. He said, you still want to type? I can say continue typing. Okay. Have you seen impressive performance the Bundesliga, Champions League, and future prospects? You see, frequently asked question. Okay. Said conclusion. Okay. I see say continue. Okay. That is the conclusion of the story. What you do is you just copy it step by step. You copy this first one. You go to where the content is. Okay. You know this from Google Trend. You go to where is the content. Where is the content? Okay. The writing. You paste it. You look at it, you see go there, you've copied the first one. Let's look at the second one. This is the first one. Okay. Okay. Even with that, although the platform is refreshing due to network issues, let's use that alone that we've copied. Achievement, milestone. Okay. Let's stop here. You arrange it. Okay. You are rearranging it. Okay. You rearrange it in a way that it is fine. Okay. Pardon me. Rearranging it so that it look neat, because for sure moderator will come and check it before it is being published, so you must to arrange it well. If you are highlighting it, make sure that you bold it from your end. I'm using mobile now, so you arrange it. This is just a clue on what you are to do. You arrange it to make sure that it is neat. Okay. This one here is the title. Okay. Just copy the title to here. You arrange it as I said before. Make sure that it is properly arranged. Okay. You make sure you remove this other one here. You shift this introduction up. Introduction. Okay, you see how it is arranged, properly arranged. After that, what should you do? You go to upload image. By uploading the image, you can copy this is name. You copy the name. What you need to do, you go to Instagram. Okay, go to Instagram and search so that the image will be fine, beautiful, and the watermark issue that we discussed previously should not be there. You put it this way, uh, in a picture like this. This is beautiful. You've seen, this is beautiful. You just a screenshot of it. The screenshot, you crop it and edit it so that there should be no watermark. Oh, sorry, I lost the screenshot. Let me take it again. Okay, I crop it from here. I crop it. Okay, there are 4 images here. You check, you check, you check. You've seen how beautiful this image is. Okay, there's no watermark issue here. You go to the platform, you upload, select a file. I just need an image that does not require, or people don't have it more. Okay, the picture is not rampant, so those are the major facts. Just click the 2. Here is like they need just 1, so I'll upload the caption. Supposed to add another one here. But since it requires just 1, let me leave this one here, and I'll save it. But if you are, as you are sending it, make sure that you have, how is it called, that you have verified your email. You see what is popping up here is showing that you are not verifying your email. Okay, you can edit anywhere you want to edit. Introduction. Okay, you can now save it. This is a story. Okay, please, if this is your first time of watching our channel, do well to subscribe. As you are doing this, you're posting, all your earnings are reading here. Okay, don't worry about it. Everything is a gradual process. Just follow it instead of wasting your time seeking for job. Just take your time here. Everything will be fine. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please do well to subscribe. Encourage us to do more research and give you update. Thank you. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.